What's up, Team T, baby? Y'all, like I always tell you, if you don't bring that type of energy to me or in my videos, I don't want it. Goodbye. Anyways, it is a beautiful day to smile. Anyways, I had too much caffeine, I think. I don't know. I only drink coffee and matcha, but anyways. Oh my god, I just said anyways again. Okay, stop. Cut. What I'm bringing to you today is how to get this grill. How to get this grill nice and white, because who doesn't love a white smile? I am working with a brand today that is going to bring your teeth to a brighter white. So I did some pictures before and after. It takes about 7 days, I would say, to like see the wow, look how much quieter it is when they shut the fuck up. So it takes about like 7 days. I wanted to do pictures before and after so you can kind of get like a view. And it's funny because my mom's been asking me like, yo, what have you been doing? Like your teeth look so white whenever I FaceTime her. And I'm like, yo, ma, I brush my teeth like 3 times a day. And I've been using this new vegan plant-based teeth whitening stuff. So we have to prepare it first. So I'm going to show you what I did before and after. Okay, so here we got white with style. Now you must read instructions before. You guys, I usually don't read instructions, which I've learned the hard way some things. I got cotton candy, can't talk today, flavor. So here, directions. Listen, Larry, you must bring 4 inches of water to boil. Remove from heat and let cool for 6 minutes. Submerge this mouthpiece right here. You gotta submerge it first, and then we're gonna shove our teeth in there and get them nice and fitted before we start whitening with this bad boy, this vegan gel, and this little bright light. So my water is now boiling. I'm going to submerge it and then take it out and show you guys the next step. Oh, I got both of them submerged. Now I'm gonna do one at a time and show you what this. We have to place the mouth tray in covering your upper teeth. Now don't mind me, I'm about to look real funky. After you do that, you put it in some cold water. Hola bonita. And then we are going to get this party. Okay, so now after we got that all prepared, you have to brush and floss your teeth. And I know that's hard for some of y'all, but you gotta do it, okay? So brush your teeth, get the stinky breath away, because nobody likes stinky breath. Okay, then we have to remove the plastic, which I did from the back of here, so then your little bright white smile turns on and we are all activated and ready to go. So now you want to put a little bit of the whitening gel in your molds. Do not, I repeat, do not get it on your gums. Now that's in bold, so I'm going to be very careful and not get it on my gums because I don't know what's going to happen. And then we have these vitamin E swabs to clean the gums just in case. So we are going to now, I won't be able to talk to y'all after this is in for 30 minutes, so I will be getting some work done. So that's my top, yeah. So we are going to put some here around the edges. Girl, my teeth be flossing. Okay, but I just brushed my teeth again, and like literally, you guys, this stuff is amazing. And 30 minutes is not that long. Like, I just do stuff around the house, as you can tell. I just get stuff done, usually some work, sitting there, you know, do some other things. And then, yeah, just like that, you know it. And I recommend, well, they recommend, and I recommend too, only using this once a week. Your teeth need to get adjusted to it. You can keep the little paper as a scale of like where your teeth looking like more yellow, more white, and then take pictures, and take pictures. I will post mine too, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. There is a coupon code for you guys with my name, Tariana, so you can't forget it. And I believe it is only $28.90 freaking 9 for the kit. And also, that's for the Sparkle White Professional Teeth Kit. We also have the what is it, the Stellar White kit for only $69.99. So I wrote those two down so I don't get the two prices mixed up, but I will put the link below so you guys can go shop and just use my code, my name, and you'll get that killer discount so you can have a brighter white smile too. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon.